The first recipe is a homemade Play-Doh with half a cup of salt, half a cup of water, some food coloring, and 1 whole cup of all-purpose flour. Have some extra flour on hand because you may need to add more if it's a little too wet as you go. So first add the 1 cup of flour. Add in the half a cup of salt. Mix the 2 dry ingredients first. This works best. And then we'll go ahead and add the food coloring to the water. You can add more drops than I did. I just put 2 here. I'm gonna get a really light color out of that, but if you want to go ahead and add 5 or 6 drops to get a nice rich color, I would suggest that. Mix the food coloring into the water and then pour it right in. Go ahead and stir it until the flour is mixed in really well. Add a little more flour. And now we're ready to knead the dough by hand. Go ahead and reach into the bowl and make sure you pick up all the excess flour in the bowl. As you can see, my dough came out very light colored. So yep, you'll definitely want to add more food coloring than I did, but this is the consistency that you're going for. Now we can roll out the dough, take a little piece of it and start forming some letters. Have your child roll out the dough into logs and then use those logs to form shapes and lines that make up your letters. Here's letter A. You can have your child trace over the dough with their finger just like I did. And let's do one more. Long line down. You can describe the letter by each line and curve to your child. Long line down, little curve, B. All you'll need is half a cup of cornstarch and conditioner. Cloud dough is one of my favorite recipes because it's just so simple, it smells great because of the conditioner, and it just feels great in your hands. First, you'll scoop out some cornstarch into half a cup. And this one is also nice because it doesn't need to be perfectly measured. If you don't have measuring cups at home, you can just pour a little bit in as much as you want your dough to be. And then go ahead and add the conditioner just little by little. There's not an exact science for this because all conditioners are different. Depending on what you have at home, it might have a different amount of water in it. So just go ahead and mix that with a spoon until it's clumped together pretty good. And then you can go ahead and reach in and mix it with your hands. Now this is the consistency we're aiming for. It's not too wet, not too dry, and it feels as soft as a cloud. Now we can go ahead and start forming our letters with this.